Saheed Osupa officially graduates from University of Ibadan with second class. Hello everyone, welcome to Sumi Crown TV. We've come again to give you another entertainment news. Please kindly click on subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, like, go to the comment section and contribute. It is raining graduation in the household of Fuji singer Saheed Osupa, from his eldest daughter to his younger daughter, and now the Fuji king himself. We can say education is very important in the Osupa family. The Fuji maestro via his Instagram page revealed that he is officially a graduate of the University of Ibadan, where he bagged a second-class upper credit from the Department of Political Science. Sharing photos from his convocation ceremony, he informed the public that he is now a graduate of the prestigious university. As I give all glory to God, it is official. Today, I attended the convocation ceremony of the University of Ibadan, where I graduated from the Department of Political Science with second-class upper credit. The public should be aware that King Dr. Saheed Osupa Akorede is now a graduate of the prestigious University of Ibadan Class 21. Alhamdulillah. The likes of Sheyi Edun, Tawa Adesefini, Sukomi Omobolanle, Bimpe Akintude, Aisha Lawa, Mustafa Sholagbade, Toyin Tomato, Jide Awobono, and more congratulate him over his new feat. Shola Alabegaji wrote, "Congratulations, Agba. Koserenimu school, more blessings, music himself." Sheyi Edun wrote, "Finally, congratulations, sir." Tawa Adesefini wrote, "Congrats, dad." Sukomi Omobolanle wrote, "Congratulations, Bami." Bimpe Akintude wrote, "Congratulations, sir." Aisha Lawa wrote, "Congratulations, sir." Afis Owo wrote, "Congratulations to you, my brother." Jide Awobono wrote, "Congratulations, sir." Toyin Tomato wrote, "Congratulations." Mustafa Sholagbade wrote, "Congratulations, sir." Kazim Adeoti wrote, "Congratulations." One funny Oje wrote, "Congratulations, dad." In June, Saheed Osupa had expressed pride in his daughter for her courage and quest for knowledge following her convocation. He praised her for being an epitome of diligence, passion and strength, as he noted how her success is pronounced. Celebrating her, Saheed Osupa described his daughter as a great achiever, as he expressed how proud he is to be her father. A month later, Saheed Osupa celebrated his younger daughter as she graduated from school. Sharing a photo of the graduate, he sent his heartiest wishes to her for taking the first step to success and expressed pride in her. Last year, Saheed Osupa bagged a bachelor's degree in political science from the University of Ibadan. Osupa shared his excitement at completing the political science degree as he shared photos on his official Instagram page. Thank you for listening to us. Please don't forget to click on subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, like, go to the comment section and contribute. Thank you.